What's going on, Kern County? So, hey, are you looking to purchase a home and everything that you're seeing online is either pending, sold, or the property was just never on the market? Well, look no further and download our app now. Our Etta app actually gives you the ability to search all of Kern County for homes that are for sale. At the bottom, you'll see that we have you can save properties. You can actually even contact your agent direct from the app to help you stay in your communication with your agent. You can easily give them a call, shoot them an email, or even shoot them a text. You can constantly alert yourself based on the homes that are hitting the market on a daily basis. The biggest thing about our Etta app, guys, is that it actually updates every 15 minutes. So every home that hits the market, you'll be notified if it falls under your criteria. You can search things like MLS, homes that are only active on the market. You can say, bedrooms from 1 to whatever. You can search beds. You can search how many baths, price, point, type of home, single family residence. You can look for homes with pools, garages, car spaces, number of units, stories, 1 or 2, fireplaces, square footage, even acreages if you want to. So there's so many different types of filters you can add on this actual app. Even if you see location, you can even search cities, schools, counties. You can really get specific with the app, and you can easily save these homes onto your actual filters here. So I'll give you an example. You can easily save a property. I'll give you guys a specific property here. This home here, listed for $650,000. It will give you. You can actually hit the heart, and it will actually save as one of your favorites. And if you go to your properties here at the bottom, it will be listed as one of your saved properties as well. You can see all the information. So on this page of the actual property, you can get every description of every property, everything you need to know, pictures about the property. You can actually go through them and see every single picture, as well as you can actually request your own showing here directly from the app. You can request the time, the date, in person, in video. It gives you information about the actual neighborhood, square footage, and everything you do need to know. It gives you a breakdown of the schools in the area, an estimation of a monthly payment, depending obviously on the type of financing that you're doing, and obviously give you all the information of your real estate agent. And there you have it. It's such an easy tool to use. Download it now.